Let's cook these sweet potatoes in the air fryer, and with all my tips, they'll be nice and soft in the inside and perfectly cooked. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share my family's favorite recipes and simple how-to videos like this one. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. Let's talk about what sweet potatoes work best for the air fryer. Longer and skinnier potatoes tend to work best, so they don't take as long to cook. If you're cooking more than one, you want to select sweet potatoes that are more or less the same size, so they'll be ready at the same time. First things first, you want to wash your sweet potato really well. I'm just using one of these produce scrubbers to scrub all the dirt off of my sweet potato. So as you can see, I'm using a kitchen towel to pat it nice and dry so there's no water left on my skin. After that, I'm gonna take a fork and poke some holes on my sweet potato. This helps the heat penetrate through the skin. Today I'm gonna cook 2 sweet potatoes on the air fryer, but if you're cooking more than 2, like 4 for your whole family, you'll wanna add some time to it. And I'll leave those details for you below the video. Now, I like my sweet potato skin nice and crisp, and that's one great thing about the air fryer. So I'm just gonna take some olive oil in the palm of my hand and rub it, and then I go all around the sweet potatoes. This is just coats them nice and thinly. That's all you need. I like to top my sweet potato skin with salt. The olive oil helps the salt stick to it as well. And I'm just gonna take my sweet potatoes and place them in my air fryer, and I'm gonna cook them at 400 for about 35 minutes. Now, depending on how thick your sweet potatoes are, the big ones may need 5 more minutes, and that's okay. But if you do want them nice and crispy all the way around towards the end of them cooking in the air fryer, flip them over with your tongs so that part that was at the bottom gets nice and crisp. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them for you on my channel. Check these out. They're so crispy looking on the outside, and they're super soft when you poke them. So they're nice and soft all the way around. They're also very hot, so I'm gonna wait 5 minutes for them to cool off a little. Let's slice this one right through the middle. See how soft it is. If it's still hot to handle, grab a kitchen towel when you squeeze it to open it, just like that. And check it out. It's nice and soft, perfectly cooked in the inside. And now you can top this with butter and your favorite toppings. Sweet potatoes are super easy to cook ahead and have them for another meal. So leftovers can be placed in a airtight storage container and keep it in the fridge for like 3 days. I'll make sure to leave topping ideas, cooking times, and everything you need to know about these sweet potatoes and more below the video. See you next time.